competition. She was seen on television. Dawn, hey, hey, hey. Dawn is nowhere. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccup. Dawn's mother give her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Dawn still has hiccup. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccup. So cut a slice of lemon. Hic. But Dawn still has hiccup. Erna give Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn's hiccups go. She happy. She combed her hair. The music play. She sing her song. It is beautiful. The crowd shout and cheers. The end. Bye bye.